is ABS, Heartbeat of the East.
Igbo Ukwu's heartbeat quickened on Tuesday, August 5th, 2025, as the ancient town draped its colors in festivity and pride. From the early hours, the air was charged with local rhythms, the shimmer of cultural attire, and the buzz of anticipation for a day that would mark history. Sons and daughters of the community, both home and abroad, converged on Igbo Ukwu Community School for a grand civic reception in honor of Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, CFR, and his deputy, Dr. Onyeka. It was not merely an event. It was a declaration of faith in leadership and a public seal of support for the governor's second-term journey.
I stand before you, not as a man seeking political office, not as one angling for the prized seat of the governorship of Anambra State. Nay, I stand here as the voice of an entire community, the heartbeat of Igbo Ukwu, and the bearer of our collective gratitude. Your Excellency, you have shown us magnanimity, and we must first say thank you. Thank you for entrusting our sons with great responsibilities in your government.
And what is even more astonishing, you have achieved these milestones without borrowing a single dime, a feat that makes accountants whistle and economics nod with respect. For all these reasons and the greater strides ahead, the Igbo Ukwu community rises as one to offer you our full, unwavering endorsement for a second tenure for the glory of God.
The day began with movement and purpose as the governor's convoy made its way through freshly built roads linking Igbo Ukwu to neighboring towns. Each stretch of asphalt told its own story of access restored, of commerce rekindled, of communities reconnected.
Government and the people of Anambra State to thank His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for this particular project, 1.5 kilometer road here in Igbo Ukwu. It's part of, attracted by the Honorable Member representing Agwata Federal Constituency. It is this kind of partnership between the federal and the state that actually accelerates development throughout the country. And while expressing our gratitude to the President and the Honorable Minister of Housing and Urban Development for this, as you rightly said, that's one also ongoing in Igala, and many more to come. And so we commissioned this road today to the glory of God and for the good use of the people of Igbo Ukwu and the barons and everyone else. Public asset, courtesy of our amiable President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR.
Along the way, a fully renovated medical health center, Obiuno Health Center, renovated by the distinguished Nabugu family, stood as an evidence to what can be achieved when government and community work hand in hand.
Congratulations. Done. On behalf of the government and great people of Anambra State, we want to commend you especially. Thank you, because this is how to live. This is how to live. We live, we acquire, accumulate all that there is. This is the place to show. When all is gone, You will be remembered for this. You will be remembered for this. The history books will remember you for this.
The upgraded center features new patient and outpatient wards, doctor's quarters, a borehole, overhead tank, and additional amenities. Standing on our promise of 2018, the Georgina Nabu Foundation, JNF, went to work and liaised with all the relevant stakeholders to ensure a timely delivery of the project. The upgrade would reduce the need for residents to travel far for health care and lower their expenses.
We commissioned this comprehensive health center today, comprehensive medical center. Here I know Igbo Ukwu. It will have all the facilities, personnel, nurses, and all the paramedical personnel. So, we commissioned it today, the glory of God for the health of the people of Igbo Ukwu and the surrounding communities. That everyone who comes here may find good health and cure for health.
When the reception began, the atmosphere was electric. The gathering was a blend of political symbolism and deep cultural resonance. The Igbo Ukwu patriots, led by Dr. Greg Ezilo, orchestrated the occasion with precision. Their message clear.
My candid remarks, message of goodwill for our dear governor. Mr. Governor, Mr. Solution, Odenibo, Olwa Tuegu. Precisely 65 years ago, you were sent into this universe with a mandate to conquer the world. And I'm able to say that you have lived up to this mandate because you have conquered academia, you have conquered the world of economy, you have conquered the world of governance, and you have conquered the world of leadership.
Mr. Governor, we appreciate you for all you have done. And standing here as a youth leader in Anambra State and in Nigeria as a whole, I declare with all the youths of Igbo Ukwu that your second tenure is non-negotiable.
Thank you.
The people's trust was not given lightly, but it had been earned. Then came the moment that drew every gaze. The presentation of a 50 million naira check in support of the governor's re-election campaign. It was not just a gift, it was a tangible pledge of loyalty and confidence in the road ahead. To crown the gesture, a bronze artifact of intricate craftsmanship was placed in the governor's hands, a piece that linked the modern leader to the timeless heritage of Igbo Ukwu's past.
Now the stakeholders, I will break that phone. Bring that phone down.
About 15 million. 4 years. No going back.
In his response, Governor Soludo's words carried warmth and resolve. He spoke of partnership, of a shared mission to build not only infrastructure, but the very foundations of a better future. The applause that followed was more than a politeness. It was the sound of a community reaffirming its bond with its leader.
nke mbụ anyị jere obi ụlọ Igbo Ukwu ya Commissioner a former primary health center renovated by one of you, the family in Nnabugu. Rosie expand and today government will get and I convert the opposite comprehensive medical center. I can send the doctor and the nurses my even I can and the one did me free of charge.
As the sun dipped lower, the music swelled, and the chants in support of Soludo's leadership rose into the evening air. For the people of Igbo Ukwu, this was more than a reception. It was a promise renewed, a vision embraced, and a resounding statement that the path to 2025 would be walked together in solidarity and in hope.